Hey guys, so tonight's episode is actually sponsored. I sort of had a little bit of a sponsor this time. Yeah, tonight's video is actually sponsored by a viewer. Freddie M sent me this awesome early Christmas gift. It is a MSD two-step launch control module, and I am beyond excited to set this up. So big thanks to Freddie, and let's stop wasting time. Let's put this on the car because I want to launch it with that so bad. Let's take a look. Okay, so supposedly this kit is so simple that even someone as dense as myself can install this, no problem. Let's find out. Okay, so as you can see, it does work. So another big thank you to Freddie for that. Also, guys, stay tuned because just as soon as I can, I'm going to take Reaver back out again on the slicks and try to dial that two-step in a little bit more. I noticed when I was going back and watching the footage that I had the two-step set lower than what I have my shift light at. So I was actually, kicking the two-step on before my shift light even come on. And of course, the way that I have it set up on the toggle switch is like once the toggle switch is on, like it's active. So not only does it work as a launch RPM for me, which when I'm at the track, I usually launch off the rev limiter anyways. So, whatever. But the bad thing is, if I go to like a no prep or something like that, or if I go out to play around on the street or whatever, and I want to back that back down to 3,000, it wouldn't let me go above 3,000. I would have to launch and then flip it off, and that's just too much. So I'm probably gonna rearrange how I've got this thing set up. I'm gonna keep the toggle switch, and then I'll probably have it wired in to the clutch pedal, so that way, you know, it'll disengage whenever I release the clutch. So that way, you know, if I do set it to 3,000 or something like that, then I can continue revving up. The only bad thing about that is then I can't use it as a rev limiter like I was there a little bit ago. But whatever, I'm sure that I can find a way around this. We'll go back later, and I'm also going to set up a nice little plate, a display plate that I think you guys will like. So stay tuned for that, guys, and we'll catch you guys later.